Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fauzo Bihi, and then I'm from Indonesia in Jakarta State University. So, I want to presentation about my article about evaluation model. Okay, wait. Hmm. Okay, first, dear Committee International Research Conference on Humanity, Social Science, and Technology 2025, 7 years, IRC HST 2025. Thank you for your invite of conference. Okay, this is my slide. Uh, yes. About title, evaluation of the implementation program for the certificate of complying diploma at higher education institution in Bekasi City. Table of contents first, introduction, and then evaluation model, literature, methodology, implementation, result, and conclusion. Introduction, certificate of complying diploma or SKPI is a document issued by higher education institution that contains information about the fulfillment of competency of graduate in academic and vocational education. One of the government policy that support that fulfillment of graduate competency is the Merdeka Belajar, Merdeka Kampus program from Minister of Education. The MBKM policy is the line with the Minister of Education and Culture Regulation number 3 of the 2025 concern national standard for higher education. In higher education institution, faculty, study program, student, and partner are involved in implementing this regulation. In higher education institution need to provide option for students to take course outside their study program. Research program, there are seven. Number one, limit understanding. Number two, lack of standardization. Number three, long process. Number four, minimal recognition in the work sports. Number seven, digitalization challenge. Number six, lack of industry collaboration. Number seven, weak verification and validation. This look the new of the research. I want to try application force viewer. You can see about my force viewer, which mean that the research was only conducted from in 2018, and from the research journal, very journal about evaluation. Three, there has been no discussion regarding the evaluation of the implementation of diploma supplement letter using responsive evaluation and CIPP model, right? And formulation problem, there are five. Number one, context is a combination model, right? Combination model, uh, CIPP and kickback trade. Number one, context. What is the background of the diploma supplement program? Reaction. How did the participant rates to the training they attended? Number three, process. What is the implementation of the diploma supplement program? Number four, learning. How did the participants' attitude change toward the diploma supplement program? Number five, product. What decisions were made by the higher education institution regarding the program that has been carried out? Research project, research objective. There are five. Number one, to find out what is the background of the diploma supplementary certificate program. Number two, to find out how participant rates to the program they attended. Number three, to find out how the implementation of the diploma supplementary certificate program. Number four, to find out how the attitude of participants changed after attending diploma supplementary certificate program. Number five, to find out what decisions are made by higher education institution after the program is implemented. This is about the syntax model of Kirkpatrick. There are four dimensions: first reaction, second learning, third behavior, fourth result. A syntax model of CIVV: context, input, process, and product. In CIPP, is a concept proposed by Subtlebeam with the view that the important goal of evaluation is not proof but to improve. In context, the situation of background that influences the planning of the development program. Input, the quality of inputs that can support the achievement of the development program. C, process, the implementation of the program at the use facility in accordance with what has been planned, right? D, product, the result achieved in the implementation of the program. In Kirkpatrick, from Ramadan 2006, three specific reasons for conducting training program evaluation, namely to justify the existence of the training budget by showing how the training program contributes to the organization goals and objective, and then to determine whether a training program should be continued or no, and to obtain information on how to improve the training program in the future. In research methodology use the mixed method, right? And designed with an explanatory sequential mixed method approach. This design was chosen because it has to trace structure and that facility implementation as explained by Creswell. This design model allow research to collecting data into spreadsheet and with quantitative data collected first, followed by qualitative data collection used to explain the result, the quantitative data. This approach allow a clear separation between the collection and quantitative and qualitative data, enabling research to provide a diverse focus on its type of the data and method used. In data analysis, the data used in this evaluation research comes from primary and secondary data, where the data collection is conducted using several instruments. First, observation, interview guidance, questionnaire, document analysis. Instrument validation. Before the research instrument are used, validation of their content and construct must be carried out. Because a good instrument must be valid. Being valid means that the instrument can measure what it is support to measure. The data that has been collected needs to be checked for its usableness to determine its validity, and then this checking is to ensure that the researchers is confident that the data collected can be tried with triangulation. From Bakri 2018, furthermore, it is states that to test construct validity, the opinion of expert from finalists about the instrument that have been prepared can be used. The recommendation from the finalists aim to determine the accuracy or relevance of the item to the measurement target. Data analysis procedure, there are seven. Number one, data reduction, data presentation, data transformation, connecting data, data consolidation, data comparison, and data integration. So now result and discussion from the my research. This I want to sharing with you all with committee and so on for ladies and gentlemen here. This section discuss the evaluation component consisting of results, reaction, activity output, and outcome in accordance with the evaluation model that has been designed earlier. So the preparation of results and discussion is based on evaluative aspect and the established problem formulation. The study used an explanatory sequential mix methods designed with the notation or quant to qual, where quantitative data is analysis first, followed by in-depth exploration, use qualitative data. This is from the first dimension about context, right? We use the five scala, right? No agree, very no agree, usable, very agree, and very agree, right? In context evaluation resolve, in the background aspect, it show a very positive assessment of the implementation of the SKPI program. The indicator with the highest rate is the vision of the SKPI organization aligns with the goals of developing graduates' competencies and soft skill. Uh, Four comes 0926, which indicate that respondents strong support the SKPI vision in terms of broad competency development, including interpersonal skill that the important in the workforce. SkyVI provides many benefits. The challenge that still exists is how to integrate various type of non-academic skill that can contribute to the development of student competency. For example, social activity, leadership, organization activity are also very important in developing the skill needed in the workforce, but not all types of this activity are systematically recognized in SKPI. In evaluation reaction, right? In reaction, the average foremost indicator is relatively high. There are a few indicators that show slight differences in perspective. Example, the indicator people attending the ISKI PR training. I feel unsure whether this training would provide significant benefits, which has a slightly lower score, but still so general positive agreement, right? Then the dimensions so that SKPI, Certificate of Graduate Learning Outcomes, which records their practical skill, has a positive impact of their readiness for the work environment. A more comprehensive recording of practical skill in the SKPI boosts student confidence and prepares them to face challenge in the professional world more effectively, right? To enhance the effectiveness of the SKPI program, there needs to be an expansion or space for recording practical skill and the development of more structured assessment system. as well as closer collaboration with the industry sector so that the SKPI can reflect competency that are relevant to the labor market needs. Now, process, result of the evaluation process. In the process, although the average performance indicator is quite high, the indicator lecture provide clear explanation about the objective and benefit of the SKPI program to students. This indicate that while many respondents feel they have received clear explanation, there are still some students who feel that explanation provided are not fully adequate or consistently sufficient. This also reflected in the indicator socialization related to SKPI is conducted regularly and involves all students every semester, right? Which has a lower effect compared to some other indicator. Although it still show a positive view recording the frequency and involvement in SKPI socialization activity. And then the emphasizes the importance of the standardization in recording non-academic experiences to make the SKPI more comprehensive and representative at university. For example, from at university, this is initial, not I not say name, right? I want to say initial, right? The dean expressed the dean expressed the need for emphasis of standardization that the SKPI better covers all the competency possessed by student, both academic and non-academic, right? And the other university from Dean also expressed similar opinions as the poorly recorded practical experiences diminish the accuracy of the representation of student competency. From result, right? Learning evaluation result. It's so that student generally understand, right? I'm sorry, I want to drink, right? Excuse me, I want to drink. Okay, thank you. In learning evaluation result, it's so that student general understand the objective of this program, right? This approach indicates a good understanding among students regarding the role of the SKPI, right? Although, uh, yeah, there are still difference of opinion that need to be addressed. And from the result survey, interview, and the review of report document, it can be concludes that the implementation so that SKPI program provides significant added value in the development or skill experiences during their time at university. It's like TOEFL, and then seminar, competency test, enrich the skill, how to improve competency from student. In result product evaluation, first, how to analysis related difference standard and deviation for the evaluation of the SKPI program. Most indicator in this table show a positive assessment of the SKP program and with relatively high average score. Okay, so SKPI program has made a significant contribution to the development of graduation competency, especially and improve English language skill, communication ability. Now conclusion. First, an implementation, explanation of the purpose of the SKPI, right? From the this is suggestion from the Minister of Education, how to make explanation of the purpose of the SKPI. Number two, the procedure of registering non-academic activity. All right. Number three, how to calculate and claim SKP point. The Minister of the Research, Technology, and Higher Education should facilitate, right, give the facility of the establishment of the partnership with large company and relevant industry to open internship, right? Give student university very all in Bekasi City, very all industry, how to open internship opportunity for student that can be recognized with SKP point. Okay, the Ministry of Research uh, needs to quickly develop a digital-based SKPI, right? A SKPI portal that makes it easier for students to register for non-academic activity. So, five, the conclusion. First, counseling and socialization of the SKP program for students. Number second, integration non-academic activity into the curriculum. Number three, improve the registration system, right? Based on registration. Number four, regular evaluation. Number five, strengths cooperation, all right? Strength cooperation with the industrial, right? Okay, thank you. So I think enough. Thank you for all audience. I hope I'm so sorry because I can't to join in Thailand. So very so far I from Jakarta and Indonesia. I follow the online video. Thank you so much for committee and for ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and good morning.